Today, only 11% of the money that is traded and used in the West, only 11%, is actual coins and paper bills. The rest, the lion's share, is traded electronically. And the paradigm for trading is the same in different modalities. The payer has an account, the payee has an account, and the payment amounts to a set of instructions in coordination that says, at the same time that the payer account will decrease by a measure of X, the payee account will increase by the same measure, and payment is done. We do this whether we stand in line in the bank and talk to a teller, or if we wave our phone in front of a reader, or drive our car through a toll road and the money is whisked away from our account to the government account, or to the road owner account. This paradigm, which today is implemented where both accounts are in the clouds, in a server somewhere, creates a lot of vulnerability. Because you trade $1 and you risk exposing two accounts that have 1,000 or 10,000 or more each. With the advent of electronic trading, we have now electronic Bonnie and Clydes. We have a new version, a new generation of criminals who know how to use the computers that help us trade so efficiently. They know how to use them for their ill purposes. And it becomes so bad that everyone admits that we need some form of a strategic change in order to keep things working smoothly, streamlined, without the constant fear of a total collapse or a dramatic theft by those electronic thieves. The currency which became like de facto currency is the dollar. But there is a growing resentment in the world against the surviving superpower, and a lot of pressure to dethrone the dollar from its position as the standard currency. As we describe, the IOU, or the derived currencies that banks have issued, have become like a disease, have just mushroomed into complexities, into mitigating risk devices and instruments that work on the basis of some assumptions that may or may not be realistic, and at any rate, in their essence, create new vulnerabilities that were not present when the systems were simpler. So all in all, we have now a very dynamic, active, sizzling money market, international trading, an enormous amount of money movement and money storage, a very powerful action of manipulating people, getting people to do what someone wants them to do, collaboration in an electronic fashion that gives a lot of convenience to purchase, to recruit, to raise money, but at the same time with growing complexity that endangers the fruit of the recent accomplishment.